do that. I am also the doctor in charge of Burgos Triangle. Burgos Triangle is 23 hotels and condominiums in Makati. All the expensive hotels along Makati Avenue, Burgos, and Kalayaan. I'm the one doing chronic pain management here to do. So if there are doctors among the group, then perhaps you have heard about me. I'm the bad boy. So wealth is nothing without health. But with health, everything is possible. Now, I will ask this group of Laminers, who is healthy here? Akala ko, same buttons. Anybody healthy? Can you raise your hand? Sigurado ka? Sigurado ka? So, 5 wala pang siklit mo. Bugat lang. Apan ako tagtangon ni mong ulo. Sakit sa ulo. Manihon man ako kung ikranan ka. Just for 15 seconds. Oh, ako tanawag kung normal ba siya. Kasi may banana. Ang banana, pwede niyang ulit kay factory defect kaya. When you turn on the left side, this one is 6 inches off. This one is normal. But there is a bigas. Ayos ang kanan. So how is normal? Dapat normal dito. Dapat normal dito. Asan ka? Kinsa man ang palaging sakit sa ulo? Always having migraines. Wala? Kanda na ako sa... Anyway, nasa man ang sakit sa ulo? Ha? Ano ka nagbayad dyan, si? Yung sabi ni John Lloyd, ano sabi ni John Lloyd? Ingat, why? There is always truth in advertisement. The #1 cause of liver failure in America is paracetamol. And if you want to die early, it's only 12.5 grams. Isang banig lang, 25 tablets if you want to kill yourself on paracetamol. Asan ko mahiwagang? Okay. But with health, any dream is themselves. Wala sila na wala. Natulog lang. Yeah, they undergo a dormant stage. So, yeah, she's one of my patients. And this, usually the operating theater we process. On my back is a refrigerator. It's a -86-degree refrigerator because we do fat banking. And with this, you become more normal. More normal. But when you do stem cell, you have to do lifestyle change. Hindi pwedeng sigirgapong kang inom o alak, sigarilyo, pambabae, lahat ng mga bad things. Oh, mali ata, no? Everything above the belt is toxic. The one below is non-toxic. But, so, stem cell therapy is expensive. So what are the options? Kung di ka maka-afford of 850,000. By the way, when you do that in Medical City or the big hospitals, it costs only 4 million.
Only?
4 million lang. Kasi daghan man silang failure. Ang failure nila kasi they do bone marrow. Ang pasyente tigulang na 80. Kung sa may bone marrow, sa may noong sa bone marrow, wala nang red bone marrow, yellow na lang. Kung naapay laman. Diba, have you seen bulalo? Yung, kasi tawag ng bone marrow? Uyok. Uyok? Ang uyok sa tigulang, wala din. Hindi nagahimo dugo. Yellow na lang. That's why yung mga tigulang anemic na. They become anemic. So a lot of practitioners, doctors, when you ask them about stem cell technology or what stem cell is, they don't know. 3 years ago, pinatawag kami sa PRC, yung Professional Regulation Commission, because they wanted to find out what stem cell is all about. Sabi ko, hindi ba PRC kayo? You are the cream of the crop. You are the doctors who knows everything. Kayo magbibigay ng examination ng doktor, pagkatapos hindi nyo alam kung ano stem cell. Gusto lang palang magpa-stem cell. Late. So, I would like you to open your minds to make you understand that obtaining better health is not generally from us doctors. It's like kasi di o kabat sa ulo. Always having migraines. Your grains. Your grain. Migraine. Your grain. Isa man. Wala. Walang migraine. Okay, pwede na siguro? Paano ko kumain mo sa dito? Nakadungog sperm cell. Stem cell. It's always good to start laughing. You become more alkaline when you laugh. Wala cancer. So I think you have read that already. This is me. This is what I do. I'm the bad boy in medical practice. I remove pain in seconds. I'm expensive. I'm very expensive. Sana kanina, somebody volunteered for migraine. I could have done them for free, instantly. My house call is only 20,000 pesos. Stem cell procedures is 850,000. Mahal, no? So there are so many articles about me. There are so many times I'm in TV and on radio. They call me the bad boy in medical practice because I do not do consultations. I just do treatment. When you go inside my clinic, I know already what's wrong with you. So I don't ask you any questions. I just remove your pain instantly. For that, I have been given that award, Global Pinoy. Pura ko dahil magwanta. Of course, I do salamat to. The problem is, tanang doktor, nag-volunteer salamat to, pasyente ko. It's useless to do salamat to if all the volunteers are having treatment with us. Yung mga masahista sa'yo pa, galing niya na sa amo. Kami, di mamimuli niya sa ila, ba't sila galing niya sa amo? Anyway, I am the doctor in charge of the pain-free workforce of pain-free workforce of PMAP, People Managers Association of the Philippines. All the big industries, they are members of PMAP. Tulog at 3 days, a daming tao. You cannot understand what networking is all about. This is life. There is day and there is night. Tama ba? But most of you, when you came here, you were under stress. Traffic stress, boyfriend stress, husband stress. Sa mga lalaki, the worst stress is always a miss-stress. Miss-stress. But a lot of you are doing multitasking. Sige rang gahawin sila cellphone para mag-document. You don't have to document me. What you should document is yourself. The progression from low income to high income. Drive your Lamborghinis and your Ferraris. The normal blood pH is normally between 7.35 to 7.45. And if you are pH 7, which is neutral, you're dead. Naintindihan niyo? But the problem is what we eat every day, Coca-Cola, pH 2.5, is the same as commercial grade muriatic acid. That is why kung gusto mo maglinis ng kubeta, Coke is the best. Now look at all the products there, from sweet and low, equal, stress, everything makes you acid. But our body cannot always balance the acidity because you're taking more acids than alkaline. Remember, it takes 1 part of acid to be neutralized by 20 parts of alkaline. And the only alkaline you usually have is nothing but vegetables and fruits. Makita niyo yan? Apple. But the apple available in the market has been sprayed with sulfite and wax to keep it fresh looking. Ang Filipino marunong bang magtanggal ng sulfite and wax? Marunong ba? O sa may mong style, magtangtang ka o wax. Tubigra? Sila tanan, ingon ani. Di ba? Now the problem with apples is to kill the pests, they do spraying by airplane. You notice that the orange is like this, the apple is like this. Inside dust. If there be moisture, it will go down the core. Filipino mo karog apple, apil sa buhok, sa buto. And that's not good for you. The best apple is the apple we're going to talk about. This is your face. Mamili na mo kinsa inyo na only have. But from my vantage point, the bunch of kids you are, muna inyong mga now, because of your stress, because of your level of acidity, and of course, your ill health. Okay, how many are 40 and above? Can you raise your hands? Tinood ba na? Okay. Life begins to deteriorate at 40. At 40, you have midlife crisis. Di ba? Mag-away na ng mag-asawa. Ang lalaki nangita nag-DC. Dagan roman DC, diba? Kanya ang misis, kaya wala naman gakatar sa iyang lawas. Nahimo namang Sharon Cuneta. Inandan mo inong kagdaghan para mahimo siyang... Kasi nga na itong anak ni Sharon? Oo. Para ma-imagine mo siyang si Casey, kinandan. Daghan kang himno. Because a lot of housewives at 40, they do not take care of themselves. Now, our level of health, of course, because life is a balancing act. Kung mahulog ka sa balance, that means you're sick with disease or you can even die. Because of low testosterone, absent estrogen, atrophy, disuse. Lahat ng sakit na yan usually happens after 40. So, kanina, daghang nag-raise a hand. Magandang negosyo dito, daghang may sakit. At 20 years old, your growth hormone goes down. At 40, your estrogen, progesterone goes down. Sa mga babae. That is why you enter a period called menopause. Menopause. Wala ng brake fluid, wala ng clutch fluid, wala ng engine oil. Kalo, o ang mga lalaki. At 40, look at that, pula na. That is why at 40% have erectile dysfunction. Naintindihan mo? Mo na matulad niyan. Oh, best example. Okay? Mahusay lang mo diskarte, di marapan. So, what we are after, I work at the back of Robinson's Galleria. And in Robinson's Galleria, sa Ortigas, sa basement side, basement 1, there is a coffee shop. The name is Bo's Coffee. Bo's Coffee. Yung mga lalaki na more than 40 years old, nandun sila nagstambay. Kasi may escalator doon. At yung mga babae naka-pek-pek shorts, kadami-dami umaakyat. Painom-inom nyo sila sa coffee, maski walang laman na yung kape nila, pag ganun-ganun lang. Because they're looking for something practical to boost their libido. At 40 kasi, ganito ang mangyari. If you're diabetic at 40, yung guwapang babae na sexy kasi ang tanan na humot kasi ng pag-agi, di naman kami tanaw. Yung pag-gangan, di ka mo tanaw. Wala may neta po. Kapan, pagkakumanog, stem cell, mas pangit o dumadaan, yung sakit na na yung liyo. Because you can now appreciate so many things in life. So stem cells, which is usually high, about 95 million at about 10 to 15 years old, it goes down right away. When you're 60, it's less than 15% or 15 million. So yung mga 40-year-old kanina, nag-inguna na, you notice that at 40, may na lang kung na ay 30 million active stem cells to repair your body. And of course, your nitric oxide at 40, danger zone. Dili na mo dilate ang imong blood vessel. Di na mo dilate ang patay na si Manoy. Pityan mo, loan mo, bandog na lang, wala nang tindog. So that is a big problem. So our problem is the DNA, the secret of all our cells. When exposed to poor diet, infection, radiation, stress, drugs, aging, injury, or burns, you will have a lot of oxidative stress. You'll have damaged biologic terrain. Of course, you will have accelerated aging, illness, and death. Ang nanay ni Era, she died at how old? 103. She died 11 months after her doctor died. Her doctor, si Dr. Hobson, he died at 55 years old. Now the question, who was the patient? Naintindihan niyo? Sino ang pasyente? Okay, kami mga doctors to sleep 8 hours a day. Then ang pasyente ng doc, ikaw daw. Hindi ko alam kasi mag 24-hour duty pa. And you are exposed to all the diseases, all the resistant bacteria. So, here's this handsome man, but now with Ebola. Sige, maglaminahin mo. Ingon kaya mo, anak. O ba? Hindi. Nahimo mo mas gwapo. Ingon na niyo. They call it the Lewinsky effect. Ihingog mga ni Lewinsky ang iyang pagkabata. So, in a few years, you have accelerated aging. A lot of you will have that. Now, my job, I am the doctor with the most number of stem cells performed. I said performed for adipose-based stem cells. Because of our non-disclosure contract, I cannot tell you who are the artistas, yung mga politician na ako nabuhat, but there are two na pwedeng i-mention. Si Cory Quirino, I have una. Cory Quirino, katong presidente ng ABS-CBN Foundation. Okay? So, stress always results in all of these: heart disease, colitis, depression, migraine, diabetes, kidney disorders, sexual disorders. And every time you go to a doctor, the doctor always gives you. So, kami mga doctors in practice, we are the drug pushers, and all of you are
Drug user.
nabigay kami na ako, ano? Some of you are taking more than 12 medicines a day. Matukan na gud mo, di na gud matulog. Kasi you cannot take tablet and capsule at the same time. If you take tablet, you drink like that. If you take capsule, you drink like this. Kaya mulutaw na itong capsule. So if you put them together, pag inom niyo mo, ang capsule mulutaw, matukan ka. So you separate the capsules from the tablets.
Saan naman na ay?
Mga long life
Ayaw
ba?
yun mong gamit o apple stem cell mo. Ma'am, kay wala mang kagatuman, ang imong naong iyanan. Kapag hindi ko magka-stem cell, ako. Itong mahal na kay. Because it's easy to be a millionaire in bio. Faster than others. Ingranay. Hindi pa sakit inyong dyan?
Oo.
Doon.
Para na lang sila.
You are now
Tindog
suffering
yan.
from stem
Tindog
cell
yan.
failure. A lot of you have stem cell failure. Some of you have erectile failure. Some of you, malabo ng mata. Dagang sakit. So if you're at the sunset of your life and your destination is a wheelchair, your problem is baka ilan na lang kapi yung graduate matani kariputana. And the only hope, of course, is
Dire. Tindog mo dire.
dili pang lugod.
Dire ba?
Stem cell is big. So first po, when things seem hopeless, what happens now is when you look at the doctor, ayaw na look at the doctor. Can you imagine, doctor, there's something I Ebaw ka nga, no? Daghan po kayo ang pasyente, doktor. Kahapon, sana si Chris. Kahit kaisin po ka mo, doktor. Pila ka po, doktor, ako pasyente kahapon?
35.
Oh, 35. Puro dis pa ng hado, di ka pindog, di ka lakaw. Saon na. Cannot imagine how sick people are. So, you will notice there's a shift button. And if you press that shift button, the answer is the medicine of the future. Now, I have to declare something in front of public. Sana mapakinggan niyo mabuti. Maraming mga doktor na isuhulan sa pharmaceutical industry or galing sa pharmaceutical industry ayaw ng stem cell. Alam mo kung bakit? Walang negosyo eh. Mawawalang negosyo. So yung mga taong reklamo, sige diha. Para sa akin, personally, bayad. Kasi kung doktor ka, nga ang imong interest ang kaugmaon or ang health, kalusugan ng pasyente, you will do everything you can with science. But the whole world is doing stem cell. Mabuti ang tao, kita lang, kabuhat ng stem cell. The whole world. That's why if you open your internet on stem cell, boom. And we want, these doctors who are educated, they want us to go into Jurassic period. Because they want to stop the progression of stem cell. Swerte gani mo, kay naay apple stem cell. May aswang ganda. Basta, ang aswang ganda. Pag kumbuutan, asawang ganda. Okay? This is Dolly the sheep. This is the sheep that was cloned. She died of accelerated aging. Kasi ang science was not yet very perfect, but now the science of it is very, very good. And we can now make people happier. So to make you understand that I am part of the making of the guidelines for DOH, so that you would know who I am. Maraming mga bawal in making stem cells. But the ones who is putting the bawal are people from the pharmaceutical industry. Okay. Jesus will allow certain sins. The church accepts stem cell research. Actually, the Pope accepts stem cell research. Basta hindi embryonic. Basta gikan lang sa imong lawas. Kung gikan sa apple, wala problema. Galing sa ashwagandha, galing sa argan, galing sa whatever. Red Korean ginseng. Dito bawal. Ang bawal lang is when you have to kill an embryo, especially stem cells from China. Those who are from Ukraine and Russia. Bawal yun. So, this is what Superman said. We live in a time when words in science saying impossible is not true anymore. Because many things have been unfolding that there's no such thing as impossible now. Kasi now, we're doing this. This is the first stem cell. Kailangan maintindihan nyo. The first stem cell is the fertilized ovum. It can become a person, can become twins, triplets, quadruplets from one egg. It can become a leg, it can become an arm. Ako, in my professional life, I've been lucky. Nakadeliver ko og bata na sobrang dako ay ng ulo, hydrocephalic. Nakadeliver po ko bata, sunod na delivery, nawala po yung ulo. Ano yung cephalic? Sabi ko, kasulat ko naman. That doesn't happen in a lifetime. Okay. So this is a fertilized egg. They are harvesting the stem cells. And that is bawal. Bawal talaga yan. Ethically, morally, it's not good. So, whether you try to think of the mathematics of it, and a lot of you who are religious people, you will find out that our Lord Jesus Christ came into this world as a embryo. Ang problema ay DNA yun. May galing sa mother, yung chromosomes niya, galing sa father. Ano kayang DNA niya? Ano kayang chromosome niya? Kalahati? Buo. So that's for you to think. Before, many years ago, we did this. We did organ transplantation. Kidney, heart, liver. Ngayon, hindi na. Stem cell na lang lahat. We do port, stem cells. All of these are stem cell procedures. And they are growing larynx from stem cells. Daghan lang, well, they're growing kidneys, they're growing lungs, heart, from stem cells. Belgian scientist, human lung tissue, adult stem cell therapy heals and repairs joints, ligaments, eyes, and tissues. And more important, mesenchymal stromal stem cells, that is my job. That has been my job for more than 3 years. Okay. They are now growing tooth in dentistry. Tutubo, nagnipon. Aside from being a doctor of medicine, I'm also the president of the United Healers League of the Philippines. And I assist the Mombaki, Babaylan, Spiritista, Banahaw healers. And when you see the curanderos, curandero ng Spiritista, nagbubunot ng ipin, check. Walang pain, walang bleeding, wala anesthesia, tapos. Nakaidagan din yung sumpong, kabuhat alam. But sa Mabalacat, Pampanga, may 18-year-old curandero. Bunot siya ng ipin, sabi niya, ito ba yun? Hindi. Ganon. Ganon ka. You should look at indigenous natural healing. We have so many gifted healers in the Philippines. By the way, our gifted healers are not practicing in the Philippines. They're abroad. They're earning very big money. Ayaw nila dito kasi yung medical profession shouts down on them, but they are protected by the law. Since 1997, these practitioners are protected by the TAMA law of 1997, the same as doctors, licensed doctors, dentists, nurses. What I do is I harvest 200 cc of fat, gikan sa puson, because the most number of stem cells na diri. Bone marrow is only, 1 cc of bone marrow is only 1,000 stem cells. Ang dinhi sa puson nga tambok, ang number of stem cells is 5 million per cc. So what's the difference? And when we harvest 200 cc, yung mga pasyente namin babae, hawakan yung kamay ko at sabihin, Doktor, tigdagan mo 3 litro. But we would discourage that because daghan kayong stem cells sa puso. So the more you have, please don't remove it and throw it away. Use it. So these are stem cells. Inactive, this is active stem cell. The stem cells I love to handle are progenitor stem cells. It can become nerve cells, liver cells, blood cells. So every day, di ba manglugod man mo o maligo? Those are dead cells. Now the cells that replace that are stem cells. Every day, 2 billion red blood cells die because they're old. They are more than 120 days old. What replaces the 2 billion red blood cells is stem cell. Yung mga lalaki, every time they ejaculate, sobrang dami yung lumalabas. Abot ng 120 to 250 million sperms per cc. Ang kapuli ato, stem cell. So, stem cells are the maintenance cells of your body, the repair cells, replacement cells, and regenerative cells of the body. Without stem cells, definitely you're dead. Now they are making burgers out of stem cell from beef. Langit siguro yung Jollibee nila. So, wala nang, this is my cousin. One in black and white. My cousin. That's a cow. I'm a man cow. The bigger problem is, if you have a cow, you have to have grazing fields, alagaan mo pa, ganun. But when you are just growing tissue for pate, it's better. So, iba na ang technology ngayon. We have progressed a lot. Now this guy, he's very popular. He came here many times. He trained doctors on bone marrow stem cell and of course a little of adipose base. This is Joseph Purita. Ito yung doctor ni Michelle Obama, ni Rafael Nadal, ni Tiger Woods. And nagulat siya, kaya ang iyang gibuhat, maupoy akong gibuhat. Hindi niya alam na I have been trained in Phoenix, Arizona, in the same procedure. Dagan pong doktor din sa Pilipinas na hibawa na. They know that procedure. But even if he's very old, he still does the injection. You know why? He does not trust other people to inject inside the knee. Kay sige ko nung kasayo. Anong gatuon? Gusto ba kang tusukon 10 times? Sakit kayo na. But he is so expert, he usually does it 1 time. So from severe arthritis or hip replacement anymore, we just do PRP, platelet-rich plasma. We get blood, 40 cc, we process it, we throw away the red blood cells, then we inject back the progenitor stem cells with the platelets. 3 injections lang yan, normal pa. Now this is what we call a progenitor stem cell. Manotice mo nga na siya paa. It's very active. This is what kaming mga practitioners are happy when we see something like that. So this is the process I do. I harvest the fat, I process the fat, I separate the stem cell from the fat. Yung fat, among ibalik sa lawong. Kaya ka na mga tigulang, lawong naman ko, ayo din. Lawong na po. Meron pang crossfit, may marionettes line. Puro na lang guhit-guhit. Kita mo yung tigulang kanina? We inject the fat there so they become young again. But more important, we put the fat hindi sa kanal-kanal sa inyong mga kamot. Kaya ang age sa babae, dili sa lawong tanawon. Kami mga lalaki, wise me. Sa kamot na tanawon, hindi ka ba na kayo sa katigulangon ng tao. Okay? So I'm the one who does G-spot lifting. I do G-spot lifting. I'm the one who does intracavernous injection, panggising ni Manoy. The technology is so sophisticated now that you can easily improve your quality of life. What is the quality of life if it doesn't work? You better die. So the fat, we process the fat, we process to separate the stem cells from the fat. This is stem cell. Yung puti nga around the red halo, that is stem cell. That sobra kadaghan na siya. That's more than 300 million stem cells. But the ordinary Addy stem, yung Australian harvest, would look like this. Oh. Yung nakakagamin lang. Muna inyong ibayaran o 750,000 pesos. Kana, sa taas, that's what you're paying for 850,000 pesos per procedure. Now we start with PRP, platelet-rich plasma. Kining yellow, it is loaded with growth factors, chemokines, and cytokines. These are signal molecules that wake up other cells. Yung apple stem cell, yung ibang stem cells natin, ashwagandha, argan, they have so much growth factors inside it. That's why when you take it, it initiates change among sleeping stem cells. Gisingin niya yung people who die nearly every day. So she drowned while swimming. She had bleeding in her brain. It's called cerebral amyloid angiopathy because of medicine. Now, kung muhatag ang doktor o tambal nga aspirin with Plavix, Plavix kasi ang market name niya, when you are 75 to 84 years old, 8% will die. Now, if you're 85 and above, swerte mo, mas dako, 12% will die because of the medicine. That we call medical practice. Now, look at this. Her death showed the deficiencies in medical care and clinical research in the United States. May problema tayo. The Philippine method of practicing medicine is patterned after the American method. And the American method for timely and effective medical care of 18 developed countries, the United States is number 18. France is number 1. So, she's the one who wrote this in the year 2000. Yeah, but if you add, if medicines are the fourth leading cause of death, plus doctors' mistakes, then medical practice will be the number 1 cause of death. And that is why you are here, because you don't want to die early. Naintindihan niyo? So let us try to review. I want you to process this properly. In Genesis, every fruit-yielding seed, it shall be food for you. Kita mo yung apple tree? Kita mo yung apple? Landaan. Yung tree na yan, may ganyan. Di ba? May ganyan. Ang sa ganito?
Snake.
Ang sa hayop to? Ay biting, sawa, halas. Daghang serpente, ang daghang ingana. So si Hippocrates, he said, to be healthy, you have to have enough exercise and enough nourishment, nutrient. Enough lang. Huwag pa sobra, huwag pa kulang. And siya yung gasulti nga, our food should be our medicine. Our medicine should be our food. But karon, mapuna nyo nga atong mga tigulang karon, diabetic. Ang nahitabo is, sobrang daming gamot. Yan na lang ang ikaon sa pasyente. So please, medicine should not be our food. Okay. Albert Einstein, he said, nothing will benefit health and increase the chance of survival on Earth as the evolution of a vegetarian diet. Thomas Edison said, the doctor of the future will no longer treat the human frame with drugs, but by nutrition. So everything now is by nutrition. Now let's see what happens. This is the father of modern medicine. Kini mo igatudlo kung saan pagka-doktor namo magiging pediatrician, mahimong surgeon, mahimong ophthalmologist, and sa padiha. He is one of the founding fathers of Johns Hopkins Hospital. Siya yung originator ng medical residency. More important, he wrote this book, Foster's Triad, and this is what he said. Basahin niyo together. Come on, read it. Okay? Read it together. Mas bagan. Sige, louder, louder. Ready? Go!
One of the first duties of the physician is to educate the masses not to take medicine.
Wala ba siya kilala? Wala ba siya typhoid? Now, let us look at the inventor of the word anesthesia, Oliver Wendell Holmes. What did he say? If all the medicines were thrown into the oceans, it would be all the better for mankind. Undang mo na lang ang batong presentation. Baka gawas din hindi na mo tumartambang. Ano? Spermcell? Okay. So, in the Garden of Eden, mga lalaki, ang nakasala actually mga babae. Pakita ko yung ebidensya. Masa may gibuhat ng serpent, di ba? Yang gidemonyo si Eva. Kadaan niyang apple si Adan. Si Adan actually, hindi niya natulon ang apple. Kasi, tanawa o, nabilim naman ang apple. Wala man ang sugod sa kanyang tiyan.
Adam's
So,
apple.
literally, he did not eat the apple. Mga babae rin mo yung kasalanan, nadamay lang kung pinalabas pa kami doon sa Garden of Eden. Sakto ba? Sakto. Masay tawag ka na.
Adam's apple.
Kita mo. Masa may gigamit ni Snow White? Apple. O, si William Tell. Masa may gigamit niya? Apan kebaw kung isang klaseng apple gigamit niya, kining apple. Para maigo dahil. But, of course, a very popular guy, Sir Isaac Newton, he was sitting under an apple tree, natamaan siya ng apple. Bukol niya ulo. Because of that, his most important discovery is the force law. Force equals mass times acceleration. Diba? So, kini mo yung nahitabo niya. Nabukol yung ulo apan si Steve Jobs. Yumaman siya sa Apple. But this is the secret of Steve Jobs. He started in a small place. Yan ang garage. Apple computer started from that garage. But pumunta siya doon sa Switzerland. Kuha siya ng Apple. Yung tinatawag na Malus Domestica. Ang problema, wag niya gikaon. Diyan ang giingkiban. Ano siya, wag niya gikaon. Diyan ang giingkib. Gamay raw yung gipa. That is not healthy. You have to eat the whole apple, di ba? So what did he do? Himo niyang ganyan ang iyang apple. That is why he died, because of the EMF.
Electromagnetic field.
Nag-cancer siya. O sige, madula pa mo sa gadget ninyo. Ala. Graduate mo sa'yo, aling kalibutana. So he said, think different. Now look at this. This is what happened to him. That green apple there is the apple that lasts so long. And that is the apple we're going to talk about tonight. Naintindihan niyo? Ang ubang apple, Fuji apple, which lasts very long, doesn't last as long as our apple. O sa gikaon sa kabayo. Apple, di ba? I-close up na to ang nawong sa kabayo. Ano sa mga kanta na? God didn't make those little green apples. Diba? Kanya akong kasin, kaon ko siya apple. Diba? Ang deer, kaon ko ng apple, oh. Uguya din. Oh, napay squirrel, kaon ng apple. But, kahit ba mo nga dili ng hayop, maski insect. Ang insect mo kaon ko apple. Di ba insect yan? But so many other animals eat the apple. Dagan ang lechon mo ka, apple. Now, the reason why we make you laugh is we want you to be healthy. Okay? So, tanawa, apan, heba ba mong iring mo kaon og apple? Nakakita na mong iring mo kaon og apple? Tanawa. Anyway, this is the apple tree we're talking about, which will last for 200 years. So in the year 203, the scientists found that it had amazing properties of longevity and self-healing. So the secret of life is actually the cycle of life. And the only living thing that can produce food is only plant. Plants can make food like this. Plants need